How to make your hair grow faster and to avoid hair loss. It can feel like an eternity when you're trying to grow your hair thicker and longer. Hair grows about 6 inches each year on average, according to the American Academy of Dermatology Association, but that growth can seem modest, especially considering most people lose 50 to 100 hairs per day. In this video, you will learn some different methods that you can use at home to grow your hair faster. 1. Eat the right diet. It's not just about what you put on your hair to have long, strong hair, it's also about what you put in your body. You must also feed your hair from the inside to promote hair development, says the expert. So, what foods promote hair growth? Protein-rich foods, such as meats and other sources, are the building blocks of hair. Consume more protein-rich foods such as nuts, beans, fish, and whole grains.
2. Add a hair-healthy vitamin.
A supplement could make all the difference if your diet isn't providing you with adequate nourishment. It's recommended to look for a multivitamin that's developed and branded for hair, skin, and nails. They include key vitamins like biotin, as well as vitamin C and B, which can help with hair health. Plus, you might improve your skin in the process.
3. Stop smoking.
We're not here to pass judgment on anyone who smoke, but we'd be lying if we said it doesn't damage your hair in some manner. Smoking reduces blood flow to the scalp and follicles, limiting the crucial oxygen and nutrients your hair and scalp require to stay healthy. Toxins from smoking can also enter into hair follicles, causing disturbance. Four. Avoid over-shampooing. Over-shampooing, according to legend, can cause your hair to become damaged, dry, and brittle by stripping it of its natural oils. The amount of times you should shampoo your hair each week differs depending on your hair type. 5. Eliminate stress.
It's true that stress has a variety of effects on the body, and it can even cause hair loss in certain people. Hair loss is usually caused by extreme, catastrophic stress, or chronic stress over time. Stress can trigger or aggravate several autoimmune illnesses of the hair and scalp that cause patchy hair loss, such as alopecia areata. Maintain a low stress level. Easier said than done, we know, by practicing an age-old Eastern medicine hand trick or dedicating a few minutes each day to meditation.
In conclusion, with so many natural treatment options available, getting the hair of your dreams doesn't have to be so difficult. Remember that no ingredient or method can help your hair grow quicker from the roots. Use these advices above to grow thicker, stronger hair that is less prone to breakage at the ends and, as a result, promotes length.